Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your iPhone is updated and you have headphones ready. This is essential because ambient audio routes through audio accommodations. Open Settings and go straight to Accessibility, then Audio/Visual or Headphone Accommodations. Once there, enable Headphone Accommodations if it's off, then tap Customize Audio or Background Sounds. This sets the framework. You're doing this first so the system will allow ambient music mixing and persistent playback. It prevents interruptions from phone sounds and guarantees consistent volume levels when you proceed. Once done, enable background sounds and pick ambient as your primary choice so music stays subtle and non-distracting. Make sure play in background is toggled. This keeps audio running when apps switch or the screen locks. Adjust the sound level to about 30–60% relative to media so voice and notifications remain audible. Then set audio routing. Force output to your headphones or Bluetooth speaker to avoid abrupt speaker playback. These steps control continuity, output destination, and mixing behavior for ambient music. Now add your actual ambient music. Use shortcuts to create a simple automation that plays and loops a local track or open a minimal player app that supports background playback. This pairs with background sounds for layering. Set a focus mode that allows the player and accessibility audio to run uninterrupted. To finish, test lock screen and app switching. If it fails, check background app refresh, app permissions, and Bluetooth pairing. Reconnect devices and restart the audio app to resolve common dropouts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.